Here's how to fix Western Union transfer block for security. First is open your application, and then from your application, go ahead and scroll down, or you can go ahead and click on the send options. As you can see, it has been blocked because you haven't verified your identity. So verify your identity first. The next step that you can do to check is go ahead and click on your profile icon. From your profile icon, click on the help options, and from the help options, you will see there the fraud awareness. So go ahead and see if the status that you have been doing or transfer is under the fraud awareness. Now, if not, you have to go ahead and do a basic troubleshoot and contact their customer service. Here's how to do it. First, you can go to Google Safari or any browser that you have and search for Western Union Customer Service, and you will be redirected to their hotline or to their website where you can go ahead and have a live chat with an agent. So as you can see, you can go ahead and click on chat with us. And once you click on the chat with us options, you will be able to see there the AI agent, or you can ask them for a live agent to assist you. You can also go ahead and track the transfer or anything that has been solved to your problem. Next is you can go ahead and give them a call, and a live agent will assist you through phone assist. You can dial this using your phone or any device that you have. Next is you have to make sure that you have turned on your Wi-Fi connection to avoid experiencing this kind of problems.